Welcome to the Cleverom Logging Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through how to log into Cleverom for the very first time. Before you begin, make sure you have an Authenticator app installed on your phone, like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. You'll need it to complete the login process securely. Now that you have the Authenticator app installed, open your inbox and look for an invitation email from Cleverom. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. It might have ended up there. Click the link in the email to continue. Now, it's time to create your password. Choose a secure password that you'll remember and follow any requirements shown on the screen. After setting your password, you'll be redirected to the login page. Log in using your email and the password you just created. Next, you'll be prompted to set up two-factor authentication. Open your Authenticator app and scan the QR code on the screen. Enter the 6-digit code from the app into the field provided. Finally, follow any remaining on-screen instructions to complete the setup. And that's it. You're now successfully logged in to Cleverom. Now you can start exploring all the process development tools and features available to you, or continue with the next tutorial. If you have any questions or need help logging in, don't hesitate to contact us. Welcome to Cleverom.